Reacting strongly to word of another Trump presidency, with corn making some gains while soybeans fought to stay in the green. AgDay's Michelle Rook joins us with more reaction in markets now.
Well, a mostly higher day in grains on Wednesday after the election, with the exception of some of the wheat contracts. Darren Frye with Water Street Solutions is back with us. Darren, it was impressive to see after some steep losses in the overnight session there on Tuesday night that the grains came back despite the election results and a sharply higher dollar.
Yeah, it sure was. You know, the dollar just ripped out of the gates once everybody thought Trump was going to win, and we did see the grains take it a little bit on the chin there in the overnights. But when we came into the day session, corn really led us higher. You know, wheat didn't do too much, but the corn was really the main one, and bean oil that led things back to unchanged or even higher in the day.
So, Darren, do you think that the grain shook off the election news just because there's thoughts that we might get a flush of export business before January 20th?
You know, that could be the case. I mean, before he takes office, I know that we're talking mainly about China when we think of our exports being affected by Trump, because the other people like Mexico taking our corn, they're going to continue to take our corn. Other origins continue to need our products. But we haven't seen China really in for corn. We've seen them taking a lot of beans, but they're still buying Brazilian boats. And so we had a big crop coming down in Brazil and in Argentina as well. South America is going to be a whopper of a crop this next year unless they enter any type of dry weather, maybe after, December into January. But right now things look good. And it's either they're trying to maybe get some stuff ahead of time, or the fact that China, they've struggled. Their economy is not real healthy right now, and they've had to do some things to stimulate that. And they're not in the same position they were 4 years ago when Trump served his first term. So I'm just wondering if maybe exports aren't going to be quite as bad as everyone thought now that Trump's won.
The key is, do we get any follow through buying?
That's $1 million question. I mean, the charts really look good going home. You saw a huge range day in soybeans, a huge lower shadow on the candlestick chart. You saw corn really act well. I mean, close through some key resistance areas. Clearing 424, 425 area was really important on D's corn today. And so we should see follow through, but always time will tell.
Appreciate it, Darren, for Water Street Solutions. We'll have more AgDay coming up.
For marketing strategies specific to your operation, contact Water Street Solutions at 866-249-2528 or online at www.waterstreetconsulting.com.